Dear students of class 11 and 12 of English version, welcome to our today's class. I am MD Asghar Khan, Senior Lecturer, Department of Mathematics. I hope by the grace of Almighty Allah all of you are well. I am also well. Today I will teach you about your higher mathematics of chapter 5 exercise 5a. Today I will discuss some mathematical problem of this exercise. Okay, now we can start our today's class. Okay, dear students, our first question, exercise 5a, question number 45. How many odd numbers of 5 significant digits could be formed with the digit 65230 using each digit only once in number? We have to form a odd numbers by this digit, and each odd number contains 5 significant digits. Okay, we know that odd number, the last position or unit position must be odd for odd numbers. So the given digit 65230 and the odd numbers have odd digit in unit place. The last place must be odd number or unit place, and so the required number will have 3 or 5 in the unit place. We have a two odd number 3 and 5, so the last number will be 3 or 5. At first consider 5 in unit place. Okay, so 5 fixed in unit place, then number of permutation, number of permutation with 4 digits. Without 5, remaining digit is 4. So number of permutation with remaining 4 digit is equal to factorial 4 is equal to 24 numbers is a odd number, but some number starting with 0, because we have a 0 in within 5 digit. So some number in 24 number, some number is starting with 0. Just you can think it. Here it has a 5 places, just the last place replaced by 5, and the total numbers is 24 odd numbers, but some number starting with 0, then this number will not a 5 significant digit number. So if 0 is fixed in first position, then how many numbers we will get? Okay, so now 0 0 fixed in first position, and 5 Okay, now 0 fixed in first position and 5 fixed in unit place, then the remaining digit or remaining place is 1 2 3 3. So number of permutation with 3 digit is equal to number of with 3 digit is equal to factorial 3, which is 6. That means 6 number starting, the starting digit is 0. So this number is not a 5 significant digit number. Okay, so the 5 digit odd number is equal to 24 minus 6. Okay, now now 5, therefore 5 digits odd numbers is equal to 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. So if 5 in last position, 5 in last position, then total odd numbers with 5 digit is equal to 18. And we can repeat for similar process, we can repeat for 3, then we will get the another 18 numbers with 5 digit odd numbers. Okay, similarly for digits 3, 5, 5 digit odd number is equal to 18. If 5 if 3 in last position, then total number is 24, and 0 and 3 fixed in first and last, then number is 6, total digit 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. Similar process will be repeat for 3, total number is 18. So total odd number with 5 digit 18 plus 18 is equal to 36. Okay, so total odd numbers with 5 digit is equal to 18 plus 18 is equal to 36. So our answer is 36. Okay, now question number 53. In how many permutation of 10 things taking 5 at a time will 2 particular things always occur? We have a 10 particular 10 things taking 5 at a time, and 2 particular things always occur. Just you can think we want to take 5 at a time. So just think we have a 5 places, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, these 5 places we have to fill up by 10 things, and two particular things always occurred. Okay, that means two particular things we have to take in all permutation. Okay, just think 10 total things is 10, and in 5 place 1 2 3 4 5, in 5 place the number of permutation for the two particular things, number of permutation of two things, number of permutation of two particular things in 5 places is equal to, so in 5 places two particular things always taken, then number of permutation is equal to 5 P2 is equal to 20. This number is 20. Okay, now the remaining things is equal to, already two things taking, then the remaining things is 10 minus 2 is equal to 8, and the taking number, the remaining taking number, already 2 is taken particular thing, then the remaining is 5 minus 2 is 3, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, so now you want to take 3 things from 8 things. 8 P3 is equal to 3 3 6. So total permutation for this case, okay, total permutation is equal to, multiply 20 into 336 is equal to, this number is equal to 6720. So our answer for this case is equal to this. Okay, now question number 55. There are 3 candidates for a professorship. One is to be selected by the boards of 5 men. In how many ways could be the board be given? Okay, now solution. The total position is 3. There are 3 candidates, so candidate number of candidates is 3, total number of vote is 5. Okay, total number of candidates is equal to, total number of candidate is equal to 3, and number of vote, because 5 men can give the vote for 3 candidates. So number of vote is equal to 5. Just we have a 3 candidate, then if first person and how many way they can give vote for 3 candidates. Just think the for first man, for first man number of ways number of ways for given his vote is equal to, then the for first man the number of ways for giving his vote, because 3 candidate he can give first candidate, second candidate and third candidate. Okay, so number of total ways for the first man is 3. We can choose any one. If the first candidate, then second candidate and third candidate. So number of way will be 3. Number of way is equal to 3. Similarly for second, third, fourth and 5 men, and they also can choose the 3 ways. So similarly for second, third, fourth and fifth man is equal to, similarly for the second, third, fourth and fifth man, number of ways is equal to number of ways is equal to, for the second man also 3 and third also 3 and fourth also 3, fourth also 3 and second is 3, third also 3, fourth also 3 and fifth also 3. Okay, now total number of ways is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and into 3. Okay, so now total number of ways, required ways, therefore is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 and 3. So 3 to the power 5 is equal to 243 ways. Okay, answer is to 43 ways. Okay. Dear student, now question number 58. On a telephone, dial numbers from 0 to 9 are printed. If the telephone number of Coxbazar city are of 5 digits, how many telephone connection can be provided in that city? For the telephone numbers, we can number use in repetition way. Just in any number we can repeat it in any connection. Okay, for the repetition we can use this formula, n to the power r, where n is the total things or total numbers, r is taking numbers. Okay, Here 0 to 9 is total digit is 10. Okay, now our solution total digit is equal to 10. That means n is equal to 10. Okay, if the telephone numbers of the Coxbazar city are 5 digit, okay, so r is equal to 5, taking 5 digit. The number can be repeated in any connection. Okay, so telephone number, with how many telephone number they can provide? So number of telephone numbers is equal to number of telephone connection, okay, number of total connection is equal to, the formula is n to the power r. Okay, so number of total connections with 5 digit, okay, with 5 digit, with 5 digit is equal to, here formula is n to the power r. Okay, so n is total number of digit and r is taking number with 5 digit, so n is equal to 5. So the number of connection is this. Okay, so our answer is this. Okay. Okay, now question number 61. In many ways, 14 students of class 9 and 10 students of class 10 could be arranged in a line so that no two class 10 students may be remain together. Okay, two class 10 students not in consecutive position. That means if this is total students of class 9 is 1 to 14 in a line. Okay, you can think this is a line of a student of class 9, 14 class 9 students, just 14 class 9 students in a line. Then number of total position between class 9 is 15. Then the two student, then the no two class 10 student may remain together. So in and 15 position, total position between class 9 student is 15, and then if the 10 student arrange in 15 position, then two student will not remain in consecutive position. So now number of total arrangement for 10 student in 15 position, number of arrangement of class 10 students is equal to, here 15 position fill up will be filled up by 10 students is equal to 15 P 10. The number of ways of class 10 student we can arrange in 15 P 10. Okay, now we can arrange the number of student of class 9 amongst them. Okay, arrangement of class 9 among them. They can interchange each other in class 9 students is equal to factorial 14, because 14 students of class 9 they can arrange amongst them is equal to factorial 14. So total number of arrangement is equal to into factorial 14. This is our answer. Okay, my dear student, this is our today's class.